Let's say that we have to draw these crankshaft sprockets. This is for the timing valve of a gasoil engine. So since our dimensions are in millimeters, gonna go there on new metric standards millimeter, and we say create. Here we are going to start with circles. There is our first circle. That is our second one. Then comes our third one. Here is our fourth one. The first circle needs to be 36 millimeters, so 36. Okay. The second one needs to be 50 millimeters. The third one I should have said needs to be 90, and the fourth one needs to be hundreds. Good. So now I'm gonna go for the rectangle. There it comes, and from here to there I need to have 4 millimeters, and the whole thing is 8 millimeters. Okay, that is good. Now I'm gonna come on 3D model. I'm gonna click on extrude. Now I want to extrude that part, this one and that one, by 5 millimeters. Okay, then I say plus. I want to extrude this part now by 8 millimeters. Okay, there we go. Then I say okay. Now I want to kill these sharp edges. That's one and that's one by 1 millimeters. Okay, and that's one. Okay, and that's one. Those two sharp corners by 2 millimeters. I say okay. Then I would like to multiply them around this circle. So I'm gonna click there, okay, and then I select my feature. That's one. Then against, I'm gonna choose my origin. Which one? Is it Y or X? Let's see which one appears there. So X appears there. Then I say 20 times. But before that, you can see that I still have the sharp corners and sharp squares. So I can come there and make sure that I have all the features. That's one and that's one. You can see now, and then I say okay. Now I have what I needed. I have the frame of my sprockets. Now I need to have those holes on them. So I'm gonna come here. I say new sketch. Then there is my circle. So that's one day. From there to there, I need to have 35 millimeters. So 35, and this circle needs to be 10 millimeters. So 10 it is. Okay. Now I can multiply it using a circular pattern. So that's one around that. Okay. We already have the radius. How many times 6 5 is okay? So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then I say okay, I come on 3D model. I need to extrude all of them. So that's one plus that's this, and that's one, and that's one, and that's one. Okay, now I'm cutting. Okay, as you can see now. All right, then I say okay. Now you have your sprockets. Okay, so you can then choose the material. You come here. I will go with cast steel. There you go. Okay, it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share, and don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Bye.